Hi class, this is week 5, our final week. We'll be going over strategies for successful learning. Before we get started into what's going to happen in week 5, I want you to know that if you have any zeros or if you have any assignments missing, this is your opportunity to get those assignments submitted. You can still submit any assignments for the whole term. So please try to get caught up this week with all of your assignments. With that being said, you have your lessons and reading assignments, and then your discussions. Remember that when you are writing your discussions, for full credit, you need to respond to at least 2 other students in the class. That will be in any of your classes. You would have to respond to 2 other students, and your responses need to be more than good job or I really like that, I agree with you. You need to substantially talk about whatever or respond to that person. Ask questions or give the advice and back up your advice with articles or videos. Um, Discussions are meant for you to engage with other students and learn from one another. So use that tool for that. And then you have your assignment 5, where you're going to write a 1-page essay on how the tips that you've learned in this week's reading will help you in your Vista College online educational journey. Be very specific in your answer, and it does have to be 1 page. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me, okay? All right, have a great week.